'Cause black is out. Gold is in. Yes, just like gold, I am indestructible.
Wow, that was a major explosion. But just like that, I present to you my own bomb to plant, and that is a new planner for the next month, September. But get this, there won't be much Curve X on this one, meaning to say it'll be all simple and minimal, whereas everything you see will only cater to what you need to be able to plan your month effectively. So I decided to make this one short as well and more work or business-like, and that's why I didn't include mood or habit tracker spreads, because busy people usually don't have time for that. And that's it for the flip-through. Now, you may or may not be interested to walk through the making of the planner with me, but I'm just here encouraging you to do so. And let's get right into it. Okay, so before anything else, I would like to add a little something with our planner template today because I really liked that bullet journal feel from last month's planner. So to do that, let us go over the Design tab and click on Format Background. Now, from this panel, click on Picture or Texture Fill, from which you can insert your image file, which contains the dotted page design I have previously downloaded. And after doing so, I am just making sure that all the offset values are 0, since my image design is exactly the same size as my page. Okay, so we are going to put our legend right here, and I am using the same symbols from last month's planner. For our September cover page, I wanted to make it as simple as possible, but I also want to incorporate a little calendar for a little sneak peek of the days of the month, and just to go with it. Now, we will be dedicating this page for an overview of all the important events to happen this month. And with our planner's theme for this, I opted to use lines and stayed within shades of gray and black. For the legend, you can use the colors you desire to categorize the events of the month, which helps you keep track easily of what the event is related to. Yes, we don't have mood or habit trackers, etc., but I think it is important to have a goals list every month. This is to assess the things you want or need to achieve for the month. And a brain dump, since it's always been a fact that we humans have a lot of wandering thoughts and ideas running within our minds. And it's just a shame, because if we don't jot these things down, we tend to forget, thus missing some things we could have done before. Moving on to our final spread, which is going to cover our weeks. So, same layout, because I find this one the simplest yet most effective. Again, we just have weekly events right under to remind us of the important events that's gonna happen in a specific week. And what better way do we end our month than to assess our overall progress? What we missed, what's new, what improved, or what is still in need of improvement. From here, we get to have a basis to do better in the next month. And that's it for the video. Short, minimalist September month planner. I hope you enjoyed this one. Again, I'll be leaving a link down below so you can check the template out for yourself. It's all free, so make sure to subscribe to my channel to get more of this in the next months. Anyway, if you like this video, how about you join me in this constantly voyaging world of planning with me? So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's promise to see each other again. Kita kits!